This video will show you how to use Destiny Discover to renew library books, listen to audiobooks, or to read ebooks right from your Chromebook. The easiest way to access Destiny Discover is right from the library Canvas page. Select Destiny Book Catalog and then High School. Finally, log in here. Here is where you'd put in your whole entire Google address. And your password is only your ID number, nothing else, just the 5-digit number. Once you're logged in, you have access to our whole entire library. And one of the things I wanted to point out is the audiobooks. If you're interested in checking out an audiobook and listening to it from your Chromebook, click on the 3 dots next to the book that you're interested in, and you can check it out that way. Audiobooks and ebooks check out for 3 weeks. There are several other audiobooks located right here. Here are your ebooks. If you're looking for a specific book, either a physical book or an ebook or audiobook, click on this icon and search for the book right here. You can enter by title, author, or subject. The book To Kill a Mockingbird is here. You could put this book on hold by clicking on hold, and the library will be informed that you put it on hold and will deliver it to your classroom. The last thing I'd like to show you is under My Stuff. You can see all of your checkouts and you can renew them. If I wanted to renew the Grace Year, click on those 3 dots again and then renew, and you'll have those physical books will be checked out for 4 weeks. If you've checked out an ebook or would like to hear an audiobook from My Stuff, just select your book and you can play the audiobook. On an ebook, it'll say to read, but click on that and you can play your audiobook. When you need to save it at a particular spot, you can bookmark it right here. Well, that's pretty much everything you need to know about digital access to the library collection. If you're ever trying to find a book that we happen to not have, don't forget that you can request that book from your library Canvas page. Just click right here for Suggest a Library Book. And thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you in the library soon.